Hi, it's Dr. Tracy. I'm just going to create a video to walk you through what you need to do this week in CISIWEB 74. If you look at the schedule for this week, we are talking about the class and HTML review. The chapters you should be reading are Appendix A and Appendix B. To know JavaScript and to be able to apply it in web development, you need to have a fundamental knowledge of HTML. You may have gotten that by taking a previous course in HTML or by teaching yourself HTML through multiple sites around the internet or YouTube videos. If you don't really feel confident in your basic knowledge of HTML, that's what this week is for. In the introduction to class portion of this week, make sure that you review the syllabus, expectations, resources, schedule, and there is even a link for extra credit. There are opportunities all semester, and I will continue to add additional ones. I'll send out an announcement when additional ones are available. Let's take a look at the syllabus. The syllabus shows how you can get in touch with me and when I'm available in my office hours. But I'm pretty good with responding to emails during the week, usually not on Saturday, Sundays. The course description and the student learning outcomes describe what the course is. When you are done with this course, you should feel confident enough to create web pages that use JavaScript components and that you can plan, code, test, and debug JavaScript and create a website that integrates JavaScript. The course itself is based on discussions, projects, and tests, each worth a number of points for a total of 1,000. The textbook is called just JavaScript, and the author is Gosselin. This is the ISBN number. The schedule that's listed here in the syllabus is the same schedule that's linked from the home page. So I'll go back to that. From time to time, I'm going to send you announcements. Those announcements will come to your panther.chafee.edu address, so make sure you're checking that because you don't want to miss stuff. Under this first week for HTML review, the week 1 to-do list, it says read Appendix A and B from the text and review the videos. There are 2 videos right here. One is building a website and the other is hosting it on GitHub. I would like you to sign up for GitHub because GitHub is a nice repository where you can put the files you create and then share the link with me so that I can view them. The resources provided are the resources right here under additional HTML resources. W3 Schools is my favorite site for learning HTML among other languages, so really dig into this one, w3schools.com HTML. The whole purpose of this first week is to demonstrate that you know basic HTML, that you know how to put projects on the web to a GitHub account or other source, and that you can turn in to me a link to a project that you created. If you have any difficulty with any of this, you can come into my office hours, or you could go to the Multidisciplinary Success Center and spend some time with a tutor there. It won't cost you anything. The only thing you need to worry about working on this week is this link right here that says Week 1, Hello World, my name is. In this exercise, I just want you to show me that you know HTML because HTML is listed as an advisory to this course, meaning you need to know HTML before you take JavaScript. The appendix in the back of the text, as well as the resources and videos that I gave you, can give you an adequate review if you aren't that familiar with HTML. Your task is to create a home page for yourself and put it on the web. I don't care what's on it. I do want your name and a picture of yourself. Tell me a little bit about you. Make it your own. When you submit it here, you're just going to give me the link so that when I click on it, it will take me to wherever you posted it. If you don't know where to post it, I do suggest using an online service like GitHub, and I have the link here. to post your pages, but you don't have to use GitHub if you know something else. There's a link on how to use GitHub if you've never used it before. Oh, excuse me. Once you've completed this, I want you to take a look at what at least 2 other students have posted and give them some comments to know that you've seen their link and that you were able to access it. So that's what you're doing this week. Make sure you read through the expectations and the resources of what you should expect as a student and what help and resources are available for you here at Chaffey College. Note that I do provide extra credit. If you make use of any of the Chaffey resources, you could earn 5 points of extra credit every time you do and write it up. Or if you attend a workshop and you give me information about that and how it helped you or what you learned, there's another opportunity. There will be other extra credit opportunities during the remainder of the semester. That's it. Good luck with week 1 of CISIWEB 74 JavaScript. I will talk to you soon.